um Good day, guys. Good day, traders. This is gold chart for our 1 hour time frame, guys. And as you can see that gold is currently bullish. It's currently bullish. As you can see here, gold break above this high and come back to retest here, and then it break another high here, and then it's trying to retest here and push up again. Then gold break here. Now gold is retesting here again, but by looking the price is looking like choppy. But maybe if I can just pull out my trend line here, maybe my trend line here, we will see that god is what god is trying to do, what god is trying to do. As you can see on the chart, guys, here, we have been killing gold. We have been killing gold, guys. Here we kill gold, so it's pushed up there, and then here again it's pushed up. Then here again, there again, gold just pushed up. So as you can see, guys, here now, and that's the reason I say God is a safe haven asset. So what I'm trying to tackle right now, it's let me just remove all this trend line here. So okay, but this one is also fun. What I'm trying to say, guys, here, as you can see, we have God retesting this imbalance. We have this imbalance. So let me just from here to here, it's an imbalance, and this is where God is reacting. Now that God is retesting this imbalance, we do not have what? We do not have weak here. We do not have weak here, but this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone. So I will just mark the demand zone here. This is a demand zone, guys. This is a demand zone. And we have another demand zone. We have another demand zone here. But this demand zone was already mitigated by this week. Maybe price will come in, take out this week. Nobody knows. But the demand zone that I'm interested in is that is the demand zone that I'm interested in, because God already tested our fair value gap, and that is our imbalance. It's already retested our fair value gap, and that's already our imbalance and our fair value gap. So now it's possible to see gold, because gold do not have any wick here. It's possible to see gold tapping in our demand zone and continue going up, or maybe it will take out demand zone, like maybe it will come below there, and then we will see something like this, and it will push up. So like I said, we need to be cautious, because next week we have Fed interest rate decision coming. So far, this is the only demand zone that I am looking to, that I am looking into it. And if God like reacting from here, we might see a possible strong buy. We might see a possible strong buy. But on the other hand, if God break below, now this mitigated block, this mitigated block here, it's the one I will be looking at. It's the one I will be looking at, guys. I will be looking at. So like I said, here, this is a mitigation block. Is also the second place I will be looking for a buy on gold, only if gold break below, only if gold could not hold there. So far, that is only how I see gold. It is only how I see gold. That is only how I see gold, guys. And the reason I'm saying it is possible to see it is possible to see gold. It is possible to see gold pushing high from this area, or maybe from this area, is by looking this price action here. Looking this price action somewhere here, we have a brick of structure there. That's a brick of structure. That's a brick of structure. And then we have an imbalance here. We have an imbalance here. And through that imbalance, we saw price coming from there here, giving that nice week, and price push high, taking this previous high, and it was a nice profit from that imbalance. Now later we saw price coming back and break below the imbalance, which means price take out liquidity here, and then price start pushing up, but price this time price failed to break further high than this previous high. Now, which means now price come back and take out this low again here, and then from there price went up again. When price come here, it made equal high. Now price is on the way to this demand zone, or maybe to this mitigation block. So far this price is choppy. God is currently consolidating, but this whole consolidations is it's forming up something like a bullish flank pattern. It is a bullish continuation pattern, because we are expecting gold, we are expecting at least gold maybe to push up until here, and then we expect gold to break high than this. We expecting gold to break high. If gold break above, then it's gonna be a long bullish continuation, guys. So for now we call it this is a bullish, it's an order flow, guys. It's a bullish order flow. So it's choppy, it's consolidation, but like I said, we have found interest rate decision coming. This same pattern here, it's to me, it's showing me that this price, it's possible for the price to come and touch this demand zone, but if price come and touch our mitigation block here, then we're gonna continue moving high. And for those who saw my videos, my those who saw my videos for NFP, those who saw my video for last Friday NFP, you might be confirming this. You might confirming this, because this quite same pattern, here, it was also formed in that videos, and it was on a smaller time frame. It was on a, I think it was on a 3 minute, but we saw God pushing up. God come at least somewhere there, and it's quite pushed up, guys. So that is what we expect, and guys, we are expecting God to push all the way up um those two block, either from the first block or from the second block, guys. That is what that's what we expecting God to do for us. And if I also use my sessions, and just trying to remove all this drawing for now, just to make it a bit clear. And I also draw my session out there. I draw my session. So as you can see, God is been like consolidating from session to session. It goes up, it come back down, it goes up, and it is failing to break either below the range also, or either below the range or above the range. So it's quite simple, guys. It's quite simple, my people. So that is what I'm expecting from gold. That's what I'm expecting gold to do, and maybe if I can also give it out there. So guys, it's your boy Isaac Wisdom, your mentor. So guys, I am signing out. sharp.